Hi and welcome back. This is our 10th video for the 52-week Blender challenge. This time we're going to make a table. So we're just going to use this cube to start. Press N and let's go here to units because we're going to make it so that it's scalable. Or more lifelike. And in case you want to like print it out, you can. So metric, we're going to imperial. I know, blasphemy. And so let's see, if we're looking at like this, let's see, X should be 3 feet, and then Y should be 4 feet, and then it shouldn't be like a foot thick. So I'm expecting like half a foot. All right, and then let's go in here, tap edit mode, go to face mode. You can just press 3 or click this and press I to inset like that. Go down a little bit, E, and we're going to do Shift D to separate this. That way we can make a glass top or something like that. All right. Oh, we got to separate this. P, lose by parts. Now let's go back to edit mode, E. Make sure it's not above the ridge right here. Okay, cool. And then we're gonna go back to the bottom here, and we're gonna do edit, and we're gonna do the same thing. All right. Then to get out of here, we're gonna add a cube, Shift A, cube, and we're gonna make it as small as possible, but one. Actually go 7 here, and then G. All right, here. Let's go to X-ray mode so we can see this a lot better. S, make it smaller, okay. And then we're gonna do snapping, and we're gonna make sure it's edge, and then G. All right, there. That's good. Press 7 again, just so we're making sure it's on that edge on both sides here. Okay, press edit mode, and we're gonna add, let's see, some vertices here. So press Control R, Control R, right, and then go to face mode 3. We're gonna get all these faces and delete them. Delete. All right, and we're gonna select vertice here, this one, and this one. Press 7, G. Oh, get out of snap. G. All right. That lines up pretty well. All right, and then we're gonna select all these vertices here. Like that. Face. Face. Sweet. Okay. Now we got that covered. Oh, we also gotta change it up. Okay, so GC, like that, and then let's go back to snap. See, press 3, GC, there. All right, so, and now we can stretch that out. So SC, make the table like 2 feet. Yeah. GC, and we're just, there we are. Okay, now we got the shape we want for this tape, for the legs. Let's add an array and do a mirror modifier, and we're going to do it across the table itself. So it's like this, and then we're also going to do it across the x-axis, the y-axis. So x and y. Sorry about that noise, just chair issues. And then tab, tab here, and then apply the mirror modifier. You're good. In case you want to like change up one of the legs for whatever reason, so press C, select your leg, then P by selection, tab edit. So now you have a different leg, modify this, and all the other legs are the same. Remember, but we're not going to do that. But I just wanted to show you that. All right, tab. Cool. All right, and then we're going to add a little bit of wood right here. All right. So go to Shift A. We're going to add another cube and 7 S, make it really small. So G, like that. Make it smaller. So G. Oh, sorry. Got a little too close there. G. Nice. All right, we can make it a little bit smaller here. So G. All right, that should be fine. All right, and then tab, we're going up. So press 3, G, sorry, GC, like this, and then tab, oh, tab, GC. Now we're gonna go to face mode, and we're gonna add GX. Nice. And then we're gonna add a modifier to this one. Just a mirror one. Actually, no. Tab. We're gonna do Shift D. We're gonna do RC90. And then we're gonna do 3. And we're gonna do object transform. Sorry, origin. And I think origin to geometry, that works. We should probably do this one too in case we need to change things up later. So object, set origin to geometry, select this one, 3, and then G, then GC. Sweet. All right, and let's move it. Tab, G, Y. Oh, G, Y. All right, nice. Tab edit, change the origin again. Now we can add the modifiers, and that is just mirror X, choose the table again, apply this, apply. Sweet, we got our table. Let's see, we can add mirror material, And we want, oh no, please don't crash. All right, we want glass. Let's go to shiny mode. Oh, what's going on here? Okay, I guess the material was linked. And we'll just go with like a wood here, or maybe we want a red table. Let's see. Cool. We'll see. We'll name it like orange. So like if we go here to this object and then add a new material, we can literally just select orange and it'll fit it for us. And I guess we'll have like black legs or something, but we're just coloring things. Honestly, we can make it whatever we want. It's pretty much ours. Nice. Okay. And that's about it. Like if you want to change this material, instead of like wood, if you want to add like a wood material, instead of like, we're just adding colors, but like let's say this was wood and you wanted like a metallic one, like again, you know, metallic surface. Where is the other one? Roughness is lower. See, it's nice. Okay, yeah, but that's about it. Thanks for listening, and until next time, hope this helps. And remember, sometimes you do need to incorporate units, especially with scaling. All right, bye.